In this drawing lesson, we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man in a different pose. He's going to be sitting up against the wall. Have you ever seen that pose where he's literally up against the wall, just kind of sitting there, like chilling out? We're going to be going through how to do that very simply. So if you're a beginner, you will 100% be able to do this. I'm going to tell you how to do it step by step by step. All of it under like 10 minutes. Very quick, and you'll know how to do this, okay? So let's hop right in. Oh, at the very end, stay to the very end, by the way. I'm going to go over color. Before any of that, though, don't forget, hit that thumbs up right now, and let's jump right in. Hey, how's it going? Let's get started with Spider-Man. So we're going to start with a complete circle here. Kind of like an egg shape. It can be pointed down here. It doesn't have to be. It could be a complete oval. It could be a total oval. Line over here. Line over here. I'm going to go over here to kind of the chest area. Down, curve underneath, up for that chest area. Alright. It's going to have him sticking on the wall at an angle there. Line down for the rib cage. Down here for the rib cage. Down, down. Right on. Got that so far, right? Ball of the shoulder, ball of the shoulder, curve here for the bicep, line out over here for the tricep, and it's gonna bend at the elbow, goes straight down, you know, like from the elbow down to the wrist. Let's pull inside over here, curve in down, and let's draw his hand. Here's where the thumb is, right? That part out over here. There's the thumb. Over here, we're gonna draw one finger out, and we're just gonna draw them. It's just like French fries. That's the way I like to think of his fingers. French fries, just simple. He's had his hand sticking to that wall, you know. All right, let's go over here on the other side. Curve. For the other shoulder. Curve here for the inner shoulder. Bicep. Out over here. Down. In. Out outer wrist. Same thing from elbow down to wrist. More or less a mirror of the other side. Right, so the thumb has that ball under it. Finger, 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 right? There we go. Out over here, you're gonna be sticking to that wall. Down here for the knee, pull back. The knee over here, pull back. Trying to fit that in the page because I drew it out there too much. Down here, toe area. Straight line here, underneath them. Line out, curve. Line out over here, curve. Down, down, curve, underneath. So you get the sole of the foot. Curve, underneath, sole of the foot. Alright, that's a general shape of his body, right? If you need to, pause and kind of go back and get that done, do it. Let's draw the design on him, right? We're going to go over here on his face, curve up, real simple, curve down, curve up, curve down. circle for the center of his face. Line across, kind of splitting the face in half. And then we're gonna have lines radiating out from that circle. It's gonna be the web, right? And we're gonna have these curved lines right there, just little curved lines for kind of that web pattern. They don't have to be exact or anything. We're just kind of, you know, have them ballparking it, you know. Right on. Go up here. This is a pattern. Out. Down over here, curve in. That's gonna be the blue part. Up over here, out, curve in. That's the blue part. Line down here, line down here. We're just kind of finding the general pattern on the outfit. Down over here. Curve, curve. Alright, so this is all web, and let's just do the easiest stuff first. Like the web would be the foot, right? And you can just draw like a tic-tac-toe pattern, like a hashtag pattern. For the leg and the arm, it doesn't really matter. It's really the face that matters. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me draw the spider on this chest. Circle. 1, 2, 1, 2. This L shapes coming out here. L shapes. Gonna go over here and draw. Basically, now I'm gonna do the tic-tac-toe shape on these patterns lightly. By the way, I'm gonna draw a relatively light line, because if you don't draw a light line, it's gonna look way too busy, honestly. And then again, we're trying to do that, you know, like the checkerboard. See how thin I can do it though? Real thin. And the thinner you do it, the quicker and kind of less precise you can get with it. It's not a big deal. Right on. Alright, let's get into coloring him, by the way. If you like this, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm sorry, I didn't even talk about that. Subscribe. It's really hard to do these and talk, so absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. There's a lot of value on the site. I'm going to go into coloring now, so thanks. Let's jump into the speed coloring. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.